Yes, let's start with the next experiment, that is to start and reverse the direction of rotation of three-phase induction motor. And the apparatus required for this experiment is, firstly is the three-phase AC supply is required. And we have covered the in the class what is the three-phase supply, what are the different connections, and there is 120-degree displacement between the three terminals. Okay, and these are indicated by R, Y, and B letters. That is red, yellow, and blue phase is there, and one three-phase induction motor is required, then star delta starter is required, then this one is the triple pole MCB. Okay, then next is the voltmeter, then ammeter, and some connecting leads are required. Now in the theory, that motor is connected to the three-phase AC supply means through star delta starter. Okay, between the three-phase AC supply and the motor there is a device called the starter, just to start and run the induction motor. So it is a star delta starter. Why it is a star delta, called as star delta? Because the input side of this starter is in the star form and the output side of this starter is in the delta form. So the input is connected to the input supply, that is in the star formation, and the output that is connected with the motor, it is in the delta formation. And the triple pole MCB is connected. Then the direction of the induction motor can be reversed by interchanging the any two terminals through the reversible switch, or by interchanging any two input terminals. Okay? In this experiment, one thing that we have to observe is the direction of the rotation of induction motor. Like if we firstly start with the experiment, our motor rotates in the clockwise direction. Okay, then to reverse the direction, that is to make the motor to move in the anti-clockwise direction, we just have to change the connections, just have to interchange any two connections for the motor. Okay, like there are three phases R, Y, B, or just interchange R and Y, or Y or B, or B or R. Okay, by interchanging any two terminals of the input supply, the direction of the induction motor can be reversed. So what is written here also, the direction of induction motor can be reversed by interchanging any two terminals through the reversible switch. Okay, so there is reversible switch available which can interchange the connections of the input supply. Okay, so this is how the direction of induction motor is reversed. So this one is the procedure. And what is to observe here, there are no readings that we have to take in this experiment. So what is to observe here, that the direction of rotation in the second case found opposite to the first case. If the direction of rotation in the first case is clockwise, then in the second case, after interchanging the input terminals, it will be anti-clockwise. Okay, so what is the result? The direction of rotation of motor is reversed when the connection of any two terminals are interchanged. Okay, any two terminals means R or Y, Y or B, or R or B. If you interchange the input terminals of any two connections, then the direction of motor is reversed. Okay, so what are the precautions that must be taken in this while performing this experiment? That is, do not touch the bare conductors, because the three-phase supply is there and very high voltage is there, 440 volts is there. So always wear shoes with the rubber sole, and connections should not be loose. So these are some of the precautions that must be taken during performing this experiment. So this is the circuit diagram. So this is a three-phase supply. Three terminals R, Y, and B. Red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and triple pole MCB. Triple pole, why it is called as triple pole MCB? Because here are the three poles. Okay, and with one shot, all the three poles are keep on. Okay, so this one is our star delta starter, whose input side is connected as star and output side is connected as delta. And this one is the induction motor. Okay, and for reversing the direction, just interchange any two input terminals. Okay, just interchange any two input terminals, any two, maybe these two, maybe these two, or maybe this one and this one. By interchanging any two input terminals, you can able to reverse the direction of the induction motor. So this one is the circuit diagram. Now let's see the video that of the experiment that is performed in the college laboratory. Okay, now this is the panel for the three-phase induction motor, and in this panel, this first one, this one is the TP MCB, that is a triple pole MCB. This is a voltmeter on which the voltage supply is there, that is more than 400 volts. Very high voltage is there as it is a three-phase. Okay, this one is the ammeter, but here we have to just to observe the direction of motor, that how it moves clockwise and how it moves anti-clockwise. Okay, and this one is the reversible switch. Okay, this one that we have called, by moving this knob we can be able to change the input terminals. Okay, because it is a very high voltage and it is not possible to connect the or change the terminals in between the experiment. So this one, a reversible switch, is used here. By changing the switch we can be able to change the connections of any two terminals. And this one is the, here it is written PSI, that is the phase sequence indicator. That means by pressing these two knobs consecutively, इकट्ठे इनको press करेंगे तो we can see the direction of rotation, कि whether our motor runs clockwise or whether our motor runs anti-clockwise. Okay, and this one is the star delta starter. This one is the star delta starter, and by using this handle we can be able to run the machine, run and start and run the machine. Okay, so let's start with the experiment. So this is the panel for the three-phase induction motor, and this one is the TP MCB, that is the triple pole. This one is the reversible switch, and this one is the star delta starter. So here is start, run. This is the phase sequence indicator. Just see here. This is the phase sequence indicator which tells you the direction of rotation, whether it is clockwise. If it rotates in the clockwise direction, so then the sequence followed is R, Y, and B. But if the rotation is anti-clockwise, then the sequence followed is R, B, and Y. Okay, because we are going to interchange the direction. So this one is a phase sequence indicator. And next one, this one is our induction motor. Okay, so this is our, this one is the induction motor. A belt is there just to put the friction here, and this belt is tightened using these knobs, and here is the weights attached here. Okay, and so this is the complete panel. And firstly, yes, I have moved this handle to one side. In the central position, it is at its the neutral position. That means in the center, when the handle is in the center, there will be no rotation, even when we switch on the supply. So we have to move this handle to any one direction. So I have moved here to one direction like this. And this one is the starter. And here you have seen that this one is the handle. So firstly, I have to push this handle downwards in the start position, and then to the upward direction to maintain the motor to run continuously. Okay, so for starting the motor, you have to move the handle down, and for running the motor continuously, you have to move the handle up. And for stopping the motor, this is the stop push button is there. Okay, let's see here now. Sound of the motor. Motor starts rotating. There is a start position. And one thing, if you stop at the start position, so your motor will start. It will not run continuously. So to run the motor, you have to move this handle to the upward direction. So see again. So now this handle is in the upward direction. Our motor runs continuously, and this is the phase sequence indicator. Now how to check the sequence? Now see here, start rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. That means our rotation is R, B, Y. Now stop this motor. Now stop. This one is to stop the machine. Now to move the handle to the other direction, that means now we have to change the direction of the rotation of the motor. So for that we have to move this reversible switch. And what happens at the back end, by moving this reversible switch, the input terminals are interchanged. Okay, by moving this reversible switch, the input terminals are any two input terminals, either RY, YB or BR. Input terminals are interchanged. Now again observe the direction of rotation of the motor. See here. Let's start, then end the run. Now our motor runs in the clockwise direction. Now it runs in the clockwise direction. Okay, now again check the phase sequence indicator. Just by pressing these two, तो इकट्ठे press करना है, and you can check here the direction. Now it is the clockwise direction. So this is how the direction of induction motor is reversed by changing the input terminal. So see, the motor is now continuously running. It will not stop until we press the stop push button. Okay, so this is how it is performed. So see here once again. So this one is the triple pole MCB, and this one is the reversible switch, just to reverse the direction of the motor in three-phase induction motor, or to change the input terminals. Okay, so this one is a phase sequence indicator, and how this phase sequence indicator, it is connected with here. Here two push buttons are there. When you press them consecutively, so this shows you the direction of rotation of the motor, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, this one is the start delta starter to start and run the three-phase induction motor. Okay, and here on side there is the three-phase induction motor is there. Okay, so this is the complete experiment for the three-phase induction motor, or to reverse the direction of the three-phase induction motor, like this.